Introducing KastleAlert, the fastest method to get the word out in a time of emergency. KastleAlert is a mobile-first solution that combines crowdsource reporting and real-time, two-way communications, all integrated with access system controls to enable robust emergency mass communications and better situational awareness during a major incident. KastleAlert is provided as part of our KastlePresence platform and mobile app. As an incident commander, you are able to initiate emergency mass communications for any of your assigned buildings directly from the KastlePresence app on your mobile device. Simply select the type of event to get started. To streamline emergency reporting as much as possible, KastleAlert enables you to create pre-drafted emergency messages per event type and per building. If you have authorization over multiple buildings, the app will default to your current location, or proceed to select the building where the incident is taking place. And if you are responsible for a single location, go right into creating your report. You can one-click initiate an event with a pre-crafted default message template, or you can easily modify or create a new message. When ready, you can alert everyone, and the people presently assigned to the building will receive a smart device notification, email, and text within seconds. As soon as the mass communication is sent, you enter the live updates mode for incident management. Your initial report is immediately present, and this is the same interface that everyone in the building sees as well. Enter important updates or reminders on procedures so that all can see in real time. If enabled in KastleAlert for your organization, two-way communication can be used to allow the building population to provide additional eyes and ears and report pertinent information. Those messages appear in the All tab. KastleAlert can also be set up so that you have authority to control what crowdsourced messages show up in the app during the incident. While two-way communications is an effective way to get direct reports from building occupants, perhaps when they need help, the best way to get a snapshot of the safety of all occupants is the safety status feature within KastleAlert. Select occupant status, and you get an immediate assessment of the people that have checked in their status. Because KastleAlert is integrated with the ongoing access control events, you can see how many people have entered the building today in comparison to the safety status reports made. So how do your building occupants report their status? Click to share your own status, and you'll see the same interface available to everyone for issuing a single-click report of being safe or needing help. As Incident Commander, you can also go ahead and remind everyone to send their status. Most importantly, click on the Safe or Help Counts to pull up a list of personnel that have reported. Right from the app, you can see who may be in trouble, where they were last seen, and be able to contact them via phone or text right from within the app. The occupant status report is continuously refreshed, so you have in the palm of your hand an instant indicator of the situation. This is also helpful during and after an event for mustering activities associated with building evacuations. In addition to establishing real-time mass communications for ongoing incident updates, you have a few other resources available to you as an incident commander. If your building has an existing lockdown protocol in place through your Castle Access Control system, you are able to activate the lockdown right from the app, if applicable for the specific emergency you are dealing with. And while you've been diligent about training your staff and tenants on safety procedures, being able to access emergency response information and documentation is critical. No problem. Both you and all your building tenants can go to important documents and have those documents specific to your building available at your fingertips. When the situation is under control, it's also important to make sure everyone is aware that an emergency is over and provide them with any specific instructions about what to do next. In Tools, select Emergency Resolution, where you can draft a final message to everyone and formally terminate the incident. Just like the immediate mass communication at the beginning of the event, your building tenants will receive a smart device notification, email, and text. Or, if they continue to reference the app in real time during the event, they will receive the emergency resolution message right within the app. At that point in time, the live event ends and KastlePresence goes back to its standard operation. One thing to keep in mind, KastleAlert is designed with a crowdsourced approach to emergency mass communications, giving any one of your building tenants the power to say something, the moment they see something. If you have KastleAlert enabled for crowdsource reporting, the initial event communication may come from one of the hundreds of smart devices carried by the hundreds of tenants in your building. If that's the case, you and any others assigned as incident commander for the building would receive a notification of that initial report. Click through on that notification and you can review the report and see who sent it. You can even reach out to the reporter right from within the app to help you verify and assess the significance and emergency nature of the report. At this point, you can accept or reject the report. If you accept, you simply initiate an emergency report like before and alert everyone to the situation. KastleAlert, the fastest method to get the word out in a time of emergency.